Today's I have taken a simple topic of class 12 commerce accountancy subject and part 2 especially analysis of financial statements. And these financial statements uh, basic meaning we have to understand. Okay. So now when financial statements we talk about, so better we have to start with the meaning of financial statement. And this question is, what is meant by financial statement, or what is meant by financial statements of a company? So on your screen, two statements is there, number one, number two. These are financial statements. Now meaning is that financial statements are the final product of a accounting process done during the accounting period. So with the help of accounting process, the product which we obtain is financial statement, and which shows the financial position and result of business activities for that accounting period. So which accounting period we are preparing financial statements, it depends on period. It may be 2020, 21, 22, 23, like which period we are preparing. So that is accounting period. And the final product of accounting process. So accounting process involving vouching of transaction, keeping the record of vouchers, so thereafter keeping the record of journals, and preparing of the ledger account of various accounts, and preparing a trial balance. Then out of this process, a statement of profit and loss account is prepared, and balance sheet is prepared. So this is the sequence of the process. So recording of transaction, passing the journal entries, preparing the ledger accounts, preparing the trial balance, preparing the statement of profit, and preparing the balance sheet. So statement of profit and loss, ultimately we record the accounting transaction, passing the journal entries, and preparation of ledger account and the trial balance, so that it will become easier for business to prepare a statement of profit and loss and balance sheet. And these two statements are ultimately final product. So all this accounting process is done for these two statement, okay, for any particular accounting period. And these two statements shows, the first one, that is a statement of profit and loss, shows the profit earned by business, that is results of business activities. So what is the results of business activities? It is the profit or loss that is known with the help of statement of profit and loss account. And financial position, so to know the financial position, the balance sheet clearly explain, clearly indicates, highlights the financial position of business. That is, the balance sheets contains assets and liabilities. Again, liabilities are classified, your owner's capital, outsiders capital, outsiders, sorry, liabilities. And liabilities are again classified non-current liabilities, current liabilities. Similarly, assets are classified non-current assets, current assets. So these all assets and liabilities shows the financial position. Liabilities are the obligation which is borrowed from the outsider of the business. It may be the non-current liabilities, it may be the current liabilities. So amount which is borrowed by the business from outsiders and which is repayable. Loan taken from bank, liabilities. So goods purchased on credit, amount is not yet paid, payable. Sundry creditors, current liabilities. So like this, the financial position and obligations, which are obligations having business, is shown. Alright, so this is the financial statements meaning. So again I am telling you, financial statement are the final product of accounting process done during the accounting period, which shows the financial position, that is balance sheet helps, and the results of business activities, that is the statement of profit and loss for that accounting period. So this is your financial statement meaning. Now I am taking the second question, that is name the two basic financial statements of a company. So these are the two basic financial statements. So this is a statement of profit and loss and balance sheet. Okay, and the statement of profit and loss, this is the, I am showing you the format. This is the format of, and it is a part 2, schedule 3 of part 2, form of best statement of profit and loss. This is, so here the name of the company, and this is the profit and loss statement for the year ended, and this is the note number and current year and previous year, and how we prepare the company's profit and loss account. And for preparation of company's profit and loss statement, we use this type of format. This is the format we use. I will show you details in your coming class. Now here the statement only I am going to discuss few things with you about the financial statements. Okay, and now this name the two basic financial statements of a company. So all of you have understood that a statement of profit and loss and balance sheet. Okay, now question 3, I am taking one question number 3, then state any two objective of financial statements. So why these financial statements are prepared by a business, by a firm, by a company. So basically two objectives are: number one, to provide information about economic resources and obligation of a business. Economic resources are assets of a business and which are used for earning purpose, and that is why it is called economic resources. And obligations are which is payable by the business, and it is a liability. So balance sheets contains assets and liabilities. Assets are economic resources, liabilities are obligations of a business which are payable, and it may be the non-current liabilities or it may be the current liabilities. So later on again I will explain you details about the balance sheets in my next episode, next. And so second objective, to provide information about the earning capacity of the business. Earning capacity depends on economic resources. If economic resources are sufficient, then it will indicate the business having good earning capacity. And for this, statement of profits and loss, balance sheet together indicates the earning capacity of the business. Okay, so all of you listen again and note down in your copy and see, watch this video class, and I will upload regularly these important classes. So all of you like, subscribe, so that you will get advance notification whenever I upload my next